Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you unboxing and review a 4-layer portable foldable shoe stand with a non-woven zipper fabric cover. This shoe stand is perfect for organizing your shoes and keeping them in pristine condition. First up, let's talk about the design. The shoe stand is made up of 4 layers, allowing you to store up to 12 pair or more than of shoes. It's also foldable, making it easy to store away when not in use. The non-woven fabric cover has a zipper closer which keeps your shoes protected from dust and moisture. The assemble process was super easy, and it only took me a few minutes to set up. Once assembled, the shoes stand felt sturdy and well made. I was impressed by the quality of the material used. Now let's talk about the actual storage capacity. I was able to fit all of my shoes on the stand with room to spare, and the 4 layers are adjustable, so you can customize the height of each layer to fit your shoes. Overall, I am really impressed with this 4-layer portable foldable shoe stand. It's a great way to keep your shoes organized and protected, and it's also really easy to set up and use. If you are looking for a shoe stand solution, I highly recommend giving this one a try. That's it for my review. So guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. And if you want to purchase this cover, then I'll share link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.